Welcome to Dulab's channel. Let us learn how to install Varun with capacitor starter in single phase. Watch this video till the end and follow all the steps carefully to complete the installation process. Make sure the main power supply is off before connection. And wear rubber boots, slippers or shoes for your safety. Let's begin. Varun comes with three variants: Varun S1, Varun S2 and Varun S3. Varun S1 comes with remote and RF antenna, Varun S2 comes with SIM slot and GSM antenna, and Varun S3 comes with SIM slot, GSM antenna, RF antenna and a remote. Now, pick your Varun device, and as you can see, there are 6 different cables coming out of the device. Line cable with red color, neutral cable with black color, NO1 with grey color, NO2 with green color, NC1 with yellow color, NC2 with blue color, and CT cable. Let's set up the cables using Varun with your single-phase capacitor starter, step by step. Let's start with providing main input supply to starter. On the starter there are 2 buttons in the front. Off button in red and on button in green color. Also there is PNRYB labeling on motor lid. Similarly, for the output, check the bottom of the starter. That is where PNRYB cables need to be linked. Open the cover of the capacitor starter. First, we shall connect Varun to the input socket. For that we shall link the line cable L at P and neutral cable at N in the socket at the bottom of starter. On the left side of the starter there is start button and off button. Green button has 4 connections whereas red button has 2 connections. Let's make connections with the green button. Connect NO1 grey cable coming from Varun to the top left corner socket and NO2 green cable on bottom right corner socket without changing any other wiring. For the red button, remove the black cable which is given on the right side of the button and attach NC1 yellow cable there. Now connect that separated black cable with NC2 blue cable of Varun. Now this is the last and final step of installation. Select the cable from output motor and pass any one existing cable through CT cable current transformer hole and connect it in the R socket situated in the bottom of the starter. Kindly verify your connections with the wireframe diagram. Your installation is complete and now you may close the cover of the starter. We would take you through the unboxing of Varun and exhibit what comes inside the box. On your purchase, you shall get 1 Varun device, 1 remote, 1 RF antenna, 2 AA batteries and user manual. Varun comes with 2 years warranty. Now, before we proceed further, let us highlight the salient features of Varun device. You will be able to see a rotation button on Varun, MN, number 1, 2, 4, 6, AN and SN. MN is manual node, which means once you set the button on MN, you can manually operate your device through your remote. The rotation button 1, 2, 4 and 6 allows you to control the duration of your motor as soon as power is supplied to your farm. This feature is very helpful in cases of irregular electricity supply. AN is auto node, in which your motor runs for straight 8 hours. SN is our new feature sensor node, for which we are developing new sensors for your use, which you will be able to use later in future. Also, to activate the internet on Varun, it is important to insert SIM card in device on the left side SIM slot. With this, you will be able to operate Varun through our mobile app from anywhere across India. Also, there are 2 slots to insert GSM and RF antenna. The above one is for GSM and below for RF. It is advised to keep your antenna at height to get better connectivity range. Take 2 AA batteries provided by the company in box and insert them into the remote. On the right side of the remote, switch on the small button given. It should be pointed upwards to start the remote. Green button helps in switching on the motor, red button will off the motor and blue button will tell you the status of the motor whether it is on or off. Remote is all set up and is ready to use. With remote you can control your Varun device within 2.5 kilometers of range. For further queries, you can contact our installation team. To watch our other video on YouTube for different starters and Varun working, please do not forget to like, subscribe our channel and share it with your friends.